F194 Drone, 4K ultra-wide angle, GPS positioning, brushless motor, obstacle avoidance, dual camera quadcopter. The F194 drone is designed for those who want to take their aerial photography and videography to the next level. This high-performance drone combines advanced features with ease of use, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Key features: 4K ultra-wide-angle camera. Equipped with a 4K ultra-wide-angle camera, the F194 drone captures stunning high-definition photos and videos, allowing you to see the world from a new perspective. The camera provides crystal-clear images with vibrant colors and sharp details, making it ideal for professional-grade photography and videography. GPS positioning system. The built-in GPS positioning system ensures accurate location tracking and precise flight control. This feature allows for one-key return, which makes the drone automatically return to its takeoff point if it loses signal or runs low on battery. The GPS also enhances stability during flight, providing smoother and more controlled navigation. Brushless motor. The F194 drone features powerful brushless motors, which provide strong propulsion and extended motor life. These motors are more efficient, quieter, and less prone to wear and tear compared to brushed motors, ensuring a more enjoyable and long-lasting flying experience. Obstacle avoidance technology. With advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, this drone can detect and avoid obstacles in its path, preventing collisions and ensuring safer flights. This feature is especially useful for flying in complex environments or when capturing footage in tight spaces. Dual camera setup. The F194 drone is equipped with dual cameras, providing a broader field of view and more versatile shooting options. The primary 4K camera captures breathtaking aerial footage, while the secondary camera allows for additional viewing angles and perspectives. Optical flow positioning. The optical flow positioning feature enhances flight stability by detecting the ground below the drone and adjusting its position accordingly. This ensures steady hovering and smooth flight performance, making it easier to capture high-quality images and videos. Multiple battery options. The F194 drone supports multiple battery configurations, allowing you to extend your flight time and capture more footage on a single trip. With an average flight time of 20 to 30 minutes per battery, you can enjoy longer flying sessions without frequent recharging. The F194 drone is the perfect choice for anyone looking to explore the skies and capture stunning aerial footage. With its advanced features, powerful performance, and user-friendly design, this drone provides an exceptional flying experience for photographers, videographers, and drone enthusiasts alike.